How to clean a pothos plant. Here is the best way how to keep your plant dust-free. Regular cleaning is important as cleaning your skin so it stays fresh and healthy. Light dusting can be done once every 2 or 3 weeks. To make this process quick and easy, I use microfiber duster. And this fabric is very soft. It doesn't damage the leaf, but effectively grabs the dust. When you dust your plants, make sure you support them with one hand and then lightly just move the dust around to grab all the dust. There is no damage to the leaves. It's very easy and very simple way to clean your plants. Deeper cleaning can be done once every 2 or 3 months. For deeper and more thorough cleaning, I use microfiber glove. It's very soft and gentle. It's also very effective. I lightly spray it with water and then clean the leaves top and under. Glove allows you to do that in one motion. Gently grab the leaf and lightly swipe the top and under to keep it clean. Make sure you support the leaf with one hand and don't pull too hard. If the leaf is too big, you can just move your hand on top and then use the glove and clean the under part as well. If you want to make this process even faster, you can use both gloves, both hands, mist them with water, and just go for it. And clean the plant top and under. Don't rush. It's a very meditative experience. But you see how much cleaner plant looks already? Your plant will definitely thank you for this. Now, when the leaves are clean, the plant can breathe and absorb the light properly. If you still have any questions about how to clean a pothos plant, let me know in the comments below.